Is SimpliSafe's 93 cents per day monitoring plan worth it? Let's find out. There are three options: self-monitoring, the 93 cents per day plan, and premium with video. At 93 cents a day, that's about $28 a month or $336 a year. For that price, you get 24/7 professional monitoring and cellular backup. You also gain remote alerts, basic automation, and alarm response. Premium adds cloud video, recorded clips, and broader smart home controls. Pros: reliable monitoring, fast dispatch, and added peace of mind. Cons: higher cost than self-monitoring and limited video unless upgraded. Worth it if you want full professional response without managing alerts yourself. If budget matters, self-monitoring or annual discounts can lower your cost. Our recommendation: choose the 93 cents per day plan for true hands-off security. Compare your devices and plan features on SimpliSafe to decide what fits.